Welcome to the episode 5 of Ways to Style, and in this episode I am going to style a sari in 10 different ways. The first look is pretty simple when it comes to draping. I've paired my sari with a puff sleeve black crop top. To style this look for the festivities, I've added this silver mirrorwork choker and I've also added these silver chand balis because I'm all about going all out, and I've added a golden parandi in my hair. I've braided my hair and this is my final look. I have paired my sari with a black sifli ruffled shirt and I've draped it with a ulta pallu, and I've added a belt. I've worn these golden chand balis and I'm carrying this maroon bag that is from Charles and Keith, and this is a really simple look, but a few elements like the belt, the chand balis and the parandi in the braid makes it appropriate for the festivities. The third look is all about layering and print on. For this look, I've paired the sari with the crop top from the first look, and I have done layering with this royal blue cape that has floral print on it, and it adds the print on print element to the look. I have also paired my sari with these big golden jhumkas and I've styled my hair into a low bun. This look is a perfect example of how adding another element and changing your accessories could totally transform a look. The fourth look is print into print into print, that is print into 3. I have added 3 printed elements into this look. So the first printed element is the sari, the second printed element is this kantha work jacket, and the third printed element is added by the skirt that is below the sari. So I've tied the sari as a half sari and then I've belted the sari to give a little definition to my waist, and I kept the accessories pretty simple with just these gold studs, and I absolutely love this look. The fifth look is a super easy way to style your sari. So my sari had this blue in the pallu, so I decided to pair my sari with this bright royal blue kurta which has this Rajasthani Gujarati mirrorwork embroidery on it. I decided to add the choker from the first look, and I decided to use an earring as a mang tika. So you can always use your jewelry in a different way than it is supposed to, and this look is pretty simple, but it is dressed up at the same time, which is perfect for Diwali. For the sixth look, I decided to layer it up with a shawl. So basically, I'm wearing a sari with a seedha pallu like it is normally supposed to, but then I've added a shawl over my shoulders and added a gold chain belt. I decided to take my pallu out from one side so it gives it a sort of layered look and adds another layer and texture to the look. I put my hair in a low bun and finally added my little mini maroon bag to complete the look. The seventh look has a lot going on, so let me break it down for you guys. So I'm wearing this mustard kurta and I have draped my sari with a ulta pallu, and then I've added this fulkari dupatta on top of the pallu and the kurta, and I have belted it all in with this gold chain belt. Pairing the sari with different kind of kurtas can give you a number of looks. Like you can pair it with an anarkali or a straight kurta or a short kurta, and you'll get n number of looks, and layering and adding different elements makes the look even more fun and fabulous. For the eighth look, I wanted to style the sari with a modern twist, and I feel like saris look so good with a trench coat. So I laid a turtleneck underneath, and I decided to wear the pallu as a scarf or a muffler around the neck, paired it with this camel coat, and I am carrying my vintage brown leather bag, and this is my look. I have also styled my hair into a low bun and added my big gold studs. The ninth look is another print on print exhibit. Since I do not have an anarkali, I tried to create sort of an anarkali silhouette by wearing my skirt as an off-shoulder dress, and I wore my sari like I normally do with a seedha pallu, and then I added this gold belt to define my waist and to hold my pallu in place. And for the accessories, I am carrying this cute little blue cat bag. I have added my pearl choker, and I've put my hair in a low bun. In a typical Charota style, saving the best for the last, I have styled my sari as a lehenga, and I have previously done a video on how you can style your sari as a lehenga. To style this look, I paired my sari lehenga with a black turtleneck and a black blazer, and for the accessories I kept it pretty simple with a big statement silver jhumka, and that's it for the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this sari styling video, and I hope that this video inspires you to style your sari in a few different ways than you already do. And let me know which was your favorite look in the comments below. I wish you a very happy Diwali, and please stay safe.